Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes USB ports not working in Windows 11, 10 fix. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers, right-click USB Root Hub, click Properties. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Right-click Standard USB Extensible Host Controller, click Uninstall Device, after uninstall restart system. Third method is, turn off your laptop, unplug charger, and then hold down power button for at least 5 seconds, then plug charger, turn on your laptop. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.